Before NASA sends a rover to Mars, they first make it face the most extreme conditions on Earth underwater. Why? Because the ocean is just as hostile and unexplored as space. The pressure, the darkness, the temperature variations, it's the perfect test bed for testing rovers meant for the red planet. NASA uses neutral buoyancy pools, massive tanks of water, to simulate the weightlessness of space. These pools are so big they can fit a full-size rover, allowing engineers to practice maneuvers in a 3D environment. With the rover submerged, engineers control its movements using cranes, computers, and robotic arms. They monitor every detail: the rover's wheels, its cameras, its communication systems, and its ability to navigate an alien terrain. These tests ensure that the rover will function in space's zero-gravity environment, making it ready for Mars' harsh surface. But the real magic happens in the water. The rover is tested to see if its components can withstand pressure changes, just like they would on Mars, where the air pressure is much lower than on Earth. The rover's robotic arms are tested for precision, as they will need to dig, scoop, and analyze in the dusty Martian soil. In some tests, engineers also simulate dust storms, which are common on Mars. They introduce fine particles into the water, mimicking the stormy conditions the rover may encounter once it lands. These underwater simulations are critical because Mars is unreachable for human astronauts. NASA can't afford to make mistakes. The water tests help ensure that, once the rover is on Mars, it will function flawlessly through robotics, AI, and engineering. These underwater trials are laying the groundwork for humanity's future on Mars. The ocean, in its silent, deep vastness, is not only a testing ground for ocean exploration, but a proving ground for space exploration.